Soon I go so, but don't know say I never cut it off. I eat a joke, you know. I know the glue. I eat a joke. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl. This is your girl, Shan. So if you're new here, welcome to you. If you're a return supporter, I appreciate that and I thank you for returning. Now, today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do your own brows and apply lash, as the title say. So the other day I dropped a full video of how to do a soft glam as a beginner. So if you didn't watch it, I'm going to leave the link right here. If you're a beginner and you're watching or you're seeing this video and it is interesting to you, you can watch it and follow my easy simple steps of slaying your brows and how to apply your own lash. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified when I drop my videos, and like, share, comment down below what you think about this tutorial, if it helped you and what you want to see from me. PSA, my channel is not only for makeup, it is also about vlog challenges and all. But you don't know what's the quarantine and all them, something them not come out of my yard yet. I not go out now, nothing, so I can't vlog. So I have to stay home to do makeup in the meantime. But no worry yourself, July I come on my birthday, I'm going to drop some bag of vlogs. Alright? So if you want to see how I slay my brows, just follow me over there. First, I place some milk of magnesia on my eyebrows. Reason being because I have oily skin and I want to reduce some of the oils from my brows to get a perfect line out on my brows. So I'll be showing you today how to do your brows using two different products. So if you decided to use the pencil or the pomade, I'm going to show you how to do so. So one eye will be done with the pomade and the other eye will be done with the pencil. Sis, stop. Please nobody class my pencil. Yeah, me don't know say lick. For the brushes, you'll be needing a spoolie. Using the pomade, you need a handle brush. You're gonna need a concealer brush, and lastly you're going to need a fluffy brush to brush out the concealer. So if you're in a Jamaica or any local store at all, wherever you are, you're supposed to can get this concealer to use. But today I'll be using the Juvia's Place concealer on my eye. Let's jump right into it. But sister, if you want a perfect brow, your brows them have a shave. Your brows them have a shave. Once you get your brows well shapen and all, you're going to need the spoolie just to get the ears in the right position. Now, I'm going to draw a line under the bottom to outline. This is where the ending should stop. If you have an arch, it should be here. The starting should be here. And please, me a beg you, sister, we don't know say arch around the place. So if your face have a certain type of shape, nobody fix the arch, please. Because all of us have different shape of face, and everybody face the arch go for. So nobody force and do arch. Nobody force and cut your eyebrow in an arch. Because even if it cut and cut good, if your face no need the arch, it not gonna work out. So please do not force to do an arch. So you start from here, the arch should be here, the ending should be here. I'm going to outline the top of my brows now, and I didn't start from the extreme. I didn't start from the extreme front. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill in. For the front now, I'm going to blend out. I'm going to blend it out. With the excess product. We don't need to see the box brows. Box brows stop wear at 2020 now. 2020, and at this are we a fade front. Alright, so we get one eye done. Now on to the other. I'm going to use the pencil. So I'm going to do the same step. And this is a dark brown pencil, not black, not brown, a dark brown pencil. And I'm filling that hole. What with the pencil, it give a more natural outcome than the pomade. If you ever think that your brows one is bigger than one, you could just do this. You could just do this, and you know that both of them are on the same size and the same lining. Also, you can do it after concealing. So now I'm going to conceal my brows. I'm going to clean them up, because guess what? You see them eyebrow here, them are no sister, them are no twin. Them is just a matey. And I hope say after me conceal them come out and love each other. Because you see through them and me I try to make them love each other, live loving. Them are no sister at all. Be precisely as you can. We don't want to mess up the brows, and we want a perfect brows. At 2020, right? I know can't tell me say after I watch this year and 2020 done, we're not gonna stop with line or goes across the eyebrow. At 2020, it don't sick me. Allah see me so one woman. Come on though. And to that I want black pencil across and she brown. And I want black pencil across her eyebrow. Make 2020 done and 21 come. The people see you know and say wow. Brows are going with bag of things. So for the concealer under the eye, you need 2 shades lighter than your skin. And on top of your brows, you need 1 shade lighter, or you can use a foundation. You see them brows there? You see, yeah, try to make me to them live like one. Cause my brows them are not twin nor sister. And no family them at all. Them are no family. So now I'm going to go in with my foundation shade on top of my brows. Them are no family, them are no them are no blood none at all. And I'm doing that. And And me I beg you know, please, please, nobody going with one extra light concealer, pound your eye, and then you know can't blend it out. Sister, you know look good to see white something pop and down your eye. You know look good. Watch that video here and make blending be your key. You want to see nice brows out there and well blended. You don't want to see no white something up on your eye. That top wear. That not keep again. Alright, see my brows them there. Alright. Now I'm going to blend out the concealer. Blend, blend, blend. Because whatever we are doing in makeup, it calls for blending. So I could have even put your eyelash. I could have even put your eyebrow. We are going to blend. Make we blend. Because we don't need to see the remaining product or some sort of thing or show. We don't need to see that, sister. At 2020 now we are called for new game. Yeah. And slayage. Yeah. Eyebrow no, you know hard to do. You just need the tools, you need the products, and whatever I use, you can find in any Chinaman shop on the road. And grab it products them. Even the concealer brush and the spoolie, it can be found in the Chinaman shops. You have the disposable spoolie. They also use it for mascara brush, so you can buy that and use. We don't need to see. We need some nice brow. We need to see some nice brows out here. I'm tired for you see pencil run across my eyebrow and I laugh. And me a laugh. I'm tired. I'm not lie you. I'm tired of it. So that's how my brows look when using the pomade or the pencil. So grab it, guys. Depends when we use this clean color pencil. The name is Clean Color, so you can grab it in any store. It's for just $100 or $70 if you're in Jamaica. It's cheap, guys. Them cheap. So I actually go off camera to do my face, to come back to do the lash application for you. So I'm going to show you how to do your lash, or to apply your lash as a big enough. Now these are lashes I'll be using, and I'm going to demonstrate with one of these lashes, but lash that I'm going to put on, I actually wear it already. So I'm going to demonstrate with one of these lashes. PSA, I don't use lash applicator, so I use my hand. So this is the lash. If ever you should take the lash from the case and it end up coming out straight and not curved, all you can do is hold both hand and bend it in. So you work it in, you work it like this until you get the shape of your eye. So now we have it all bent. Now next, what you need to do is to measure the lash to the size, to the length of your eye. After that is done, what you need to do, cut off whatever extra length is left. And every lashes, by the way, come with a pointed piece on it. Do not apply the lash with the pointed piece because it will stick you in the inner corner of your eye. I'm soon go so, but don't know say you never cut it off. It's a joke, you know. I know the glue. You don't cut it off, sis. Stop telling that. Why you tell me like you know cut it off? Sure. Yes, so you cut off that. Now I'm going to go with my lash now. I'm actually going to use an ear glue, even though it's not a lash glue. And even though it irritates my eyes so much, but the normal lash that I use for my eye is a duo lash glue. And I'm going to drop a picture right here of the glue that I use. After applying the glue, let it dry for a little. I'm going to mascara my eyelash. What this helps to do is straighten out your eyelash, and when you apply the false lash, you could just squeeze them together. You won't be seeing a bulk under it. What you want to do is to apply the lash as low as you can to your natural lash, to your natural lash line. And I stick it at one end, then I jog it across. I'm gonna clamp them together. I'm going to do the same procedure now with the other eye. We know some people love to wear lash, but they're having trouble applying it. So I hope this tutorial will help you out in simple way. So I'm clamping with my eyelash together with the false lash. I'm clamping it down, squeezing it together. I'm going to go in with my liner now to line on top of my lash. So you see how easy it is to apply your lash and to do your brows. Easy, simple, cheesy, easy. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to finish my face and come back to you. Yes guys, I'm back with the finishing look, and this is it. This is it. This is the final look.